I just want to show you what the foods that they serve in our mesol. Okay, so guys, so here we have a chicken, we have fried rice, we have one bread, then we have vegetable salad, and I don't know what's that one. Our dessert, we have one donut, we have beef, soup, and we have drinks here, apple juice, and our fruit today is banana and coconut milk. Okay guys, so come and join me, let's eat. So guys, I already finished my lunch, so now I collect my leftover. Okay guys, so I will show you where I'm going to give this leftover. Okay, follow me. So now, why I collect this leftover foods? Because I'm going to feed them. Okay guys, so this is their foods. Enjoy your meal. Okay, so this is the first batch. Okay, enjoy your meals. Give you more. Follow me, come on. Okay guys, I will show you there, that building, our plant. Okay, so look at guys, another bunch of cats. I will call them. Not enough for them because there are plenty cats here. Okay, then this vegetable salad is for my tortoise. Okay, so I'm going to give them food. So this one is Yan Yan and this one is Yin Yin, and I have also a small cat here, Kitty. Okay, so this is my routine guys, and I'll show you her mother, this one. This is her mother, Chewy. Hello, Chewy. Say hello, Chewy. Now I'm going to give them food. Chewy, take this one. Take your chicken. Okay, that's all, guys. So this is my routine. Okay, Chewy, eat now. Show them how to eat chicken. You don't like chicken? Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye guys.